Welcome everyone to our YouTube channel. So, as usual, today we have brought a valuable video for those of you who are moving forward in the world of technology. Before going to the video, I would like to remind you that if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then click the subscribe button below and like the video. That is, without further ado, let's go to the video. In today's digital world, technology isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Whether it's learning how to code, building your own PC, setting up smart home devices, or securing your data online, mastering tech skills can open doors to countless opportunities. That's where tech tutorials and how-to guides come in. They don't just teach you skills, they empower you to take control of the digital tools that shape our world. Take Jake, for instance. He's a high school student who dreams of becoming a software engineer. The problem? He had no idea where to start. He felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of programming languages, platforms, and tools. Then one day, Jake stumbled upon a YouTube channel dedicated to teaching viewers how to code. The instructor, through clear and engaging tutorials, broke down complex concepts into manageable steps. Starting with the basics of Python, Jake learned how to write his first lines of code. From creating a simple calculator app to building a small game, the journey sparked his passion for programming. Today, Jake is on track to major in computer science and credits that initial push to those tutorials. Coding tutorials are more than just step-by-step instructions, they're gateways to creativity and problem-solving. By learning to code, viewers like Jake gain the ability to build apps, design websites, and even launch their own tech startups. The tutorials often start with foundational concepts like variables and loops, and gradually progress to advanced topics like data structures and algorithms. Along the way, viewers develop critical thinking skills that transcend technology. Now let's talk about Sarah. She's a tech enthusiast who's always been fascinated by the idea of building her own computer. But like many people, she assumed it was a task reserved for experts. One weekend, Sarah decided to challenge herself by following a step-by-step video tutorial on building a PC. The creator of the video demystified the process, explaining each component, the CPU, GPU, RAM, motherboard, and power supply in simple terms. The video showed her how to choose compatible parts, assemble them, and troubleshoot common issues. After a few hours of hands-on work, Sarah powered up her custom-built PC. That moment was a game-changer. Not only did she save money, but she also gained a deeper appreciation for the technology she uses daily. Tech tutorials on PC building empower viewers like Sarah by making complex tasks accessible. They often include tips for optimizing performance, such as selecting the right cooling system or overclocking the processor. Beyond the practical skills, these guides instill confidence in tackling hardware projects, a confidence that can extend to other areas of life. For those looking to embrace smart living, tutorials on setting up smart home devices are invaluable. Imagine Alex, a busy professional who wanted to create a more efficient and connected home. He started by watching a series of how-to videos that walked him through setting up a smart thermostat, installing video doorbells, and configuring voice-controlled assistants. The tutorials also explained how to integrate these devices into a cohesive system using automation apps. Within a weekend, Alex transformed his home into a smart haven where he could adjust the lights, lock doors, and monitor security cameras, all from his smartphone. These how-to guides not only simplify the installation process, but also educate viewers on best practices for maintaining and troubleshooting their devices. They ensure that even the most tech-averse individuals can join the smart home revolution with ease. Lastly, let's address one of the most critical aspects of modern technology: data security. With cyber threats on the rise, tutorials on securing personal data have never been more important. Consider Mia, a college student who frequently shops and studies online. After watching a video on online security, she learned about using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and recognizing phishing attempts. The tutorial also guided her through setting up a VPN for safe browsing and encrypting her sensitive files. Armed with this knowledge, Mia now feels confident navigating the digital world without fear of compromising her personal information. Tech tutorials on PC building empower viewers like Sarah by making complex tasks accessible. They often include tips for optimizing performance, such as selecting the right cooling system or overclocking the processor. Beyond the practical skills, these guides instill confidence in tackling hardware projects, a confidence that can extend to other areas of life. These tutorials do more than protect individual users. They foster a culture of awareness and responsibility. By teaching viewers how to safeguard their data, they contribute to a safer online community for everyone. Tech tutorials and how-tos are much more than instructional videos. They are tools for empowerment, helping viewers acquire valuable skills, solve problems, and unlock their potential. Whether it's coding, PC building, smart home setups, or data security, these guides bridge the gap between curiosity and capability. So if you've ever hesitated to try something new in tech, let these stories inspire you. The next tutorial you watch could be the first step in your own transformative journey. So comment below your thoughts about this video. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, subscribe now and support our 1K journey. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. So I'm saying goodbye for today and hope to see you in a new video. Have a good day, everyone.